Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. Hello, Claire at French in the Midlands here. Today's lesson is about how to build a negative sentence. It's not as easy as it looks. Obviously, it's French. Let's have a look. Remember your general negative structure. There's always two parts to the negative in French, unlike English. There's your ne, your verb, and then whatever negative you choose. Let me give you an example. Je parle, I talk, becomes je ne parle pas, I don't talk. You see, parle is your verb, to talk, and ne pas go either side of the verb, and that's how it works. So it doesn't matter which negative you use. You could be pas, it could be jamais, it could be rien. It's always in that place. One massive thing to remember, in speech, you can leave the ne out. It's not grammatically correct, like a lot of things we use in speech, which aren't. So when you write French, you have to write ne pas. When you speak, you can say je parle pas. Perfectly fine. Our first one is ne pas, as we've just seen in the previous example, which means not. So for each of these, I'm going to give you an example in the present tense and in the past tense. And it works slightly differently, so that's why I'm doing it like that. Present tense, il ne fait pas ses devoirs. He's not doing his homework. You see, fait here is the verb. Ne pas go either side, as I explained before. That you can translate as he's not doing his homework or he doesn't do his homework. It's exactly the same in French. When it comes to the past tense, the perfect tense, which is made up of two parts, you have to remember to use the active verb. Let me show you. Il n'a pas fait ses devoirs. He hasn't done his homework. The ne pas goes either side of the has, which is a in French, because that's your active verb. Because if you were to change the person who's talking and you wanted to say, I haven't done my homework, you would say, je n'ai pas fait mes devoirs. Fait doesn't change. Past participle, you can forget about that. It's the a I'm interested in here. It's going to work the same way for all other examples, all other negatives. The next one is ne plus, which means not anymore. In the present tense, elle n'a plus faim. Elle n'a plus faim. So a is your verb, ne plus surround the verb. It means she's not hungry anymore or she's no longer hungry. If you were to say elle n'a pas faim, as in the previous example, it would be she's not hungry. But when you want to convey the idea of anymore, you have to replace pas with plus. In the perfect tense, as I explained before, ne plus go round the active verb. Après son discours, il n'a plus dit un mot. After his speech, he didn't say a word anymore. So il n'a plus, a is your active verb, ne plus go either side. The next one I chose is ne rien, which is nothing or anything, not anything if you like. Present tense, je ne veux rien. I don't want anything, or I want nothing. Veux is your verb, ne rien goes either side. In the perfect tense, je n'ai rien vu. I didn't see anything, or I saw nothing, or I haven't seen anything. So your active verb is est, je n'ai. So ne rien go either side, and vu gets left after that. Ne jamais means never. In the present tense, elles ne font jamais de sport. They never play any sport. You see, in French, we said to do sport. We use faire for absolutely everything, so you're going to have to get used to this. So font is your verb. Ne jamais goes either side. Of course, if you were speaking, you would say elles font jamais de sport, and it would be perfectly acceptable. Perfect tense, je ne suis jamais aller à Madrid. I've never been to Madrid. You see, je suis is your verb, ne jamais, either side. In speech, je suis jamais allé à Madrid. Perfectly fine. That's it for today. I hope that was useful. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Leave a comment below if you've enjoyed it. And if you want me to make any more videos like this one, and if you have a special request, let me know. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.